Hey there, it's Ben the Waterfall guys. So right now I'm in Breton Island. Love this place to explore for waterfalls. Next to me over there is the Red River. Flows out at Pleasant Bay. I parked on the Cabot Trail. Bushwhack, maybe 900 meters. Super easy bushwhack. I'm here with my friend Jamie. And we're gonna hit, I think, at least 5 significant falls, or what I can tell from satellite imagery. Never stop exploring. So yeah, this is the first significant fall I've seen on Red River. Basically what I'm doing is I'm on the main stem now. I'm going downstream. I'm going to hit a tributary on the left, facing downstream, and then come back up that tributary. Basically comes out where that emergency shelter is on top of North Mountain. Never stop exploring. These are significant waterfalls. I'm standing at the top of them. I don't like coming in from the top, but because I'm doing a loop, I didn't have a choice. So I'm gonna go down climb, and then I'm gonna up climb the tributary where I think actually the falls are bigger. So that's why I chose that particular route. Never stop exploring. Second significant fall on Red River. This one is a beauty. Definitely be trail peaking this one. Still on Red River, just incredible scenery. Look at that cliff. I'm pretty sure it's climbable. Never stop exploring. I think our next feature is just coming up. Yeah, so this is definitely the entrance to the gorge. We made our way on that side, the left side, if you're looking upstream, but kind of tricky, and you know, have to have some bouldering skills. So again, I'm still in the main tributary of that Red River, and entered this small canyon. Luckily, like, the water's perfect right now, so it's not too high, so I can walk along the edges, and there's enough so it's not dry, so there's actually waterfalls to check. And look, there's the next gorge coming up right now. Even the tributaries have falls. Never stop exploring. You can see this is May 16th, 2024. Still a lot of snow there, snow bridge. Gorge continues. And now behind me, that's another fall, another gorge. And that looks like an adit to me. I'll have to check that out. So yeah, now we're back on that tributary to the Red River, and we're gonna basically climb up all the way to Cabot Trail. About 2 kilometers between, if you could fly. But it's like a really open forest, so it might be quick. Perfect pool right there for swimming in the summer. Definitely more snow. And so I'm on that Red River tributary now, going back towards the Cabot Trail. This is the first massive fall that we found so far. Wow. So above that main fall in the tributary now, a gorge starts to form. And we've been able to up climb it so far, but I think here we're gonna have to go up there.